World's tallest hotel to open in Dubai in 2024. CL, is that how you say it? CL is set to be the world's tallest hotel, expected to open in the first quarter of 2024. 82-story property, the largest and most complex to date. Further details about the property: the structure is now 99% complete with the mechanical, electrical, and plumbing. First and second fix work now 80% complete in the building's basement, podium floors, and story levels. The installation of the building facade brackets is reportedly complete up to the 72nd floor, and the curtain wall installations has reached the 70th floor. At present, the convey system installation has reached 53% completion. Another noteworthy feature will be the 300-meter tall interior atrium. Oh, I've seen this. I've seen images of that interior. It's wild. It's like futuristic. Feels like you're on another planet. All these rooms look into the inside of the building. I don't know if there's a better picture of it. You might want to write atrium. Oh, you did. Maybe just write CL atrium. Yeah, you can see some of the plants and stuff, which are indoors. And
whoa,
I don't know. It's going to be amazing. Obviously, I mean, it's also complex from the standpoint that you have these cutouts, these like carve out openings in the center.
Dude, people are gonna like fly their planes.
No,
like
what, Red Bull? It's a pool. It's actually a pool. You can see it on the left, in the middle there.
Wow.
Do you see what I'm talking about? Okay. Yeah. You're swimming. It's like an infinity edge pool. Good Lord. That is a very cool looking hotel. It's going to be expensive to stay there, and it's going to be one of a kind, and it's going to be the tallest at 82 stories or whatever it happens to be. Mm-hmm. That's awesome. Imagine what it cost. How many billions?